Hello everyone, today I'll take you through an Assamese cuisine steamed fish or patot diya maas. So for that we need small fish. I'm taking maas, which is widely available in Assam. Then mix mustard oil, salt and turmeric according to your taste. You can add small tomatoes to the fish as well. And if you like little bit spicy, you can add chili powder or grinded raw chilies. So I have added ginger garlic paste, which is little rough. You don't need a fine paste. So from here, my dad is taking over because I don't know how to wrap it in banana leaves. So we are taking 3 banana leaves in case we need, in case the first leaves get burned. So first you put the fish in the center of the leaf. Okay, adjust it so that you can wrap it properly. So yeah, this is how we'll be wrapping. You shouldn't keep any openings there because the fish might come out or it will not properly cooked. So now this is how it looks with one wrap, and this is another layer of banana leaf. This is how it shows. So, make a tight knot with this. You can use other thread also, but that will add some other flavor to the fish. So now add the roll in the. You can use any pan. I'm using an iron pan here, and I'll cover it for 10 minutes. So this is how it looks after 10 minutes. One side of the roll is completely burned, that is, it's cooked. So I will keep it on the other side and cover it again and see how it looks after 10 minutes. This is how it looks after another 10 minutes. Now I'll mash it. Okay, it didn't work with spoon, so I'm using my hand. So yeah, so you have to mash it until it's become fine. So the small tiny fish bones will be there, but it won't harm you. Serve it with hot